Hey guys, how you doing? So I have a new course that's on the screen here. It is how to land a tech job in 60 to 90 days. And a lot of you guys might think that this is a lie or this is a scam. It's not. I don't even know why I said this is a scam, but it's just not, right? Um, and I'm very transparent with everything that I do, and you can see right there that I give you guys the price right there is 497. 497 or 499, anyway, whatever. So basically, this is how I got into tech, to be fair. I got into tech through something called QA. QA is quality assurance testing, right? For all you guys that are new to the course who have actually registered, I welcome you. But for you guys who have not, this is really for you, right? Like I said, I used to be a security guard when I just got out of college in '03, and I had like three full-time jobs throughout college or whatever, or spots in college. And then as soon as I got out, I was doing like three full-time jobs, but it was tough. So I knew that something had to give, right? But I was making 17 bucks an hour here, 17 bucks an hour there. So, and we started doing the math. Like if I do 17-hour job here, 17, I'm making 34 bucks combined. That's like 75,000. You know how you do the math. I was basically trying to justify to myself that I could work a 16-hour day for the rest of my life. Yeah, I knew eventually that something had to give. So what happened? Well, I started hanging out with some friends who actually were a lot farther ahead than I was at the time. And yeah, they told me about being a QA tester. Was a QA tester? You're testing a website, man. Really that simple. You're just testing a website and you're making sure that the functionality works. So like this button here, or let's say something like Instagram. I give you guys an example. Like if I say, for instance, scroll down, I should be able to, if I hit this unmute button, it should get muted. If I mute it back, it should mute. If I hit the like, I should get the heart. If I don't hit the like, that kind of thing. That's really all you're doing, guys. Really. That's really all you're doing. And I went from making 17 bucks an hour to 100 and what, $4,000 a year? Yeah. That's pretty cool, man, because at the time I was really broke when I got that first job. I was really, really, really broke. And I couldn't wait to get my first paycheck. I'll never forget my first paycheck. My first paycheck was 500 bucks. And that's because I worked one day before the first cycle, right? And I couldn't wait to get that 500 bucks. And when I got it, I really celebrated. I remember those days, right? But for you guys that are new to tech or have never gotten into tech before whatsoever, maybe you're coming from an accounting background or finance background or a different kind of background, tech is where the money is at. It's really that simple. And as you progress in your career, you get into other things. I have other courses like the Oracle DBA course, which I've been promoting for a long time. That's a lot more expensive. It's not quite 5,000, but pretty close, right? But that's if you want to make 250K and above. But if you just want to get into tech and make, say, between 90 and $140,000 a year starting in about 60 to 90 days, yeah, I think you should take the course, right? Now there are other things too. You can be done with the course if you're really serious, you can be done with the course in a week, and then you practice a little bit, and then you know just put your resume out there. Before you know it, you're going to start getting phone calls. It's really that simple. I can't think of a better time for you guys to get into tech because AI is really taking things over, right? But there are still certain aspects of tech that it isn't quite taking over yet, right? We're still going to take a while, but it will eventually, right? QA is one of those things, I believe, that you still have a little bit of time, before AI just completely takes over basically everything, right? So you have basically nothing to lose, right? We've had a student of mine, he's going to share his testimonial. He just got a job, I want to say, 3 days ago? And he just started, it was the advanced course, it was the Oracle DBA course. And he just started the course, I want to say a couple months ago. And he's done. As a matter of fact, let me show you. Let me show you his WhatsApp. I'm gonna try to see if you guys can see it. I don't know. Check it out. Check it out. Now look at it right. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the white. And then guys can see the congratulations and stuff. I don't know if it's focused. I'll read it. So this is my man, Mr. Simon. I've accepted a position as a junior DBA. It's at the end. It's not the end goal, but I'm young and it's a step in the right direction. It's remote. Yep. Like I've been telling you guys can get remote jobs. He can work basically anywhere around the world. And my other students say congratulations and so on and so forth. And he starts. I don't know if you guys can see that, but he starts June 29th. All right. This is what we do, man. We produce people that want to change their lives. The only thing we ask is you just do exactly what we tell you to do, and you'll succeed. Right? So the proof is in the pudding. Don't wait. Guys, it's 497. Hey, if you want to make six figures, and if you can't spend 497, not even $500 to change your life, then if you're still waiting for somebody to prove that the system works, even for 497, I don't know if I can help you. I really don't think I can help you, right? I have other courses that are like thousands and thousands, right? But this is 497. How hard can it be? And I just showed you guys that the guy that paid probably a lot, 10 times more than you guys paid. He got a job, right? And then in 6 months, he's going to get another job. And then 6 months after that, he's going to get another job. Now he's going to be in complete control of his destiny. So it's up to you guys. Go to the website. The website is getyourfirsttechjob.com. And the link will be in the description. Getyourfirsttechjob.com. Getyourfirsttechjob.com. Go in there, click on Get Started Now, register. You're good to go, right? I will see you guys on the other side. Remember, guys, my goal is to make. I don't know if I can make you a millionaire immediately, but my goal is to make as many people earn $100,000 and above this year, right? Trying to see if I can get 100 people to $100,000 this year. That'd be great. That'd be awesome, right? But you got to do your part. And I made it as simple and as easy for you guys as possible. All right? Click the link in the description. Getyourfirsttechjob.com. See you guys soon. Peace.